the mimicker. Kita, this is a great crowd. How about a greeting? Yeah, a nice little greeting. And if you guys are lucky, she just might give you all a great big kiss. Yeah, that's pretty good for no lips, right? Now, Keto's also learned to mimic some animal sounds, and here's one of my favorites. Hey, Keto, what does a tiger say? That's a pretty scary tiger right there. And if that one's a little bit too scary, she has another impression that's a bit tamer. You want to try your kitty cat? Yeah. Nice little tame kitty cat. Now that's a whole lot of fun. What Keto's best known for is her singing ability. She's an incredible singer. You agree with that? And she has a fun song about a barnyard chicken. I'm pretty sure you guys will recognize this song. What do you think? You ready, Kito? Let's sing. What in the world? You guys are going to finish that? Oh my goodness. She's staring up in the sky like she just saw something and froze a little bit. We're going to see if we can start over. They have really good eyesight, so maybe she saw a bird of prey up in the sky. Let's try that one more time. What do you think? You're safe down here. Are you ready? Yeah. Let's sing. I thought you guys might like that. I think that was her remix version.